Hello friends, welcome back to MATLAB. In my previous video, I showed you how to make a 2D plot in MATLAB. In this video, I shall show you how to make a 3D plot in MATLAB. Before starting 3D plotting, some of my viewers asked to illustrate the subplot command used in the previous video. So as I told, this command is used to divide the figure window in many parts. Here you can see the plotting of the different graphs and compare it in single figure window. The generalized syntax for subplot is subplot first bracket m, n, p, in which we are creating m cross n plots and accessing the pth plot. Here is a sample example for subplot. We are defining m and n as 2, 2 and accessing the first quadrant. So the command is here subplot 2, 2, 1, and this part is accessed right now. To access the second quadrant, we use 2, 2, 2, and likewise for third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Now jumping to the 3D plotting, there are many kind of 3D plotting we can do in MATLAB, like mesh plotting, surf plotting, ribbon, waterfall, p-color and contour. So here is a sample example of 3D plots. Here you can also see them in a single figure window. Here we are defining x and y in -8 to 8 interval and in the steps of 0.5. Here we are creating the mesh grid using the x and y variables. Next, another variable defined as r, which is square root of this x square and y square. Next, the variable z is defined as sin r by r. We are creating the subplots as mesh, surf, waterfall, p-color and contour. Now let us see the figure. Here is the figure for 3D plots. This plot is for mesh. Here you can see only the outline of the surface. This is x-axis, this is y-axis and this is z-axis. Now this is surf plotting. In this plot you can see the surface of the 3D figure, and this is waterfall. Here the edges are like waterfalls, and this figure is for p-color. This is from the top view. Here you can see the highest peak is denoted as a light color, and as the depth is increasing it is denoted as the dark color. And this plot is for contour. This is just the outline of this map, and here also the light and dark color is defined. Next, besides doing the 3D plotting, we can also change the view angle of the plots. The command for it is view in bracket the azimuthal angle and the elevation angle. So from the figure you can see the azimuthal angle and the elevation angle. Azimuthal angle is defined as from negative y coordinate in clockwise direction, and the elevation angle is defined from xy axis to z axis. So here is a sample program for view. Here we are only using the mesh plots, and this command picks is a sample function for 2 variables. Now let us see the figure. So in this figure window you can see this figure is for -37.5 degree azimuthal angle and 30 degree elevation angle. This is by default angle for 3D plotting, and this plot is for -7 and 80. This plot is for -90, 0, and this plot is for -7, -10. So in this way you can change the view angles to see the 3D plots exactly as it is. Now one thing more you can note Here in this command we have used pix20, so the x and y coordinates are from 0 to 20. So that's all for 3D plotting. If you have any doubts, you can write on comment section. I shall try to reach to you as soon as possible. In my next video, I shall show you how to draw circuit diagrams and block diagrams and see its responses using Simulink in MATLAB. Thank you.